Hey folks, welcome back to another update. This is the last one for the year, and unfortunately Alphabet shares went down again. It closed at 87.76, so that's the third week the stock has gone down, which is quite a trend, and overall I am now down 3,466. The only slightly positive news is we were here in the past, back around week 16. You can see Alphabet closed at 86.55, so pretty close to where the stock finished last week. However, at week 16, which was over here, you can see I was at almost a $6,000 loss. So even though the stock is down again, I am at a slightly better position than before. And that's mostly because I have been just continuing to earn premiums week after week. So what about this week? Let's take a look at the chart. This green bar was last Friday where it closed. And looking at the daily chart, it looks like it's still in this down channel and still hasn't broken through. So this is a shorter week. Today is Tuesday, and so there's only 4 trading days. So by the end of this week on December 30th, which is this vertical line over here, it's likely that the stock will end somewhere between, let's say, around $90 to over here, which is going to be around 83, because that's the bottom of this channel, and it's also the previous low of the stock. Now, if Alphabet does break out of this channel, we might expect to see a doubling of the channel. So that would put the stock up to about 91.5. So I might put my call at 92 today. And that's just in case we get a pop like this, like in mid-December. But otherwise, I would expect this channel to continue to hold and the stock ending somewhere around the mid-80s for this week. Let's take a look at the option chain, see what we can do with this and what kind of premiums we can get. So 3 days left until the end of December. I'm still going to want to have an $87 put, even though the stock is basically trading at the money right now, because that's going to lower my average cost from the current $99 to $97 if I buy another 100 shares at the $87 strike price. So I'll put this in first, try to get the 78 cents.
Order filled.
Oh, that was fast. And then over here at 92, it looks like I can make about 10 cents per share, so, or 11. I'm going to sell 4 lots, and that should give me about $41. It doesn't look like we're going to get a Santa Claus rally this year. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see we are below the EMA on the daily chart, and also the EMA is pointing downwards. So even if we do get a pop, as you can see before, it was followed by a continuing downtrend. So even if I do get my shares called away at 92, I'm not too worried.
Order filled.
Okay, so I just dropped it down to 10 cents, so that filled. So I have 1 short put at $78 and 4 covered calls at $10 each. And my total commission is $5 for this week. And that's going to be 152 Canadian. So a little bit less this week with a slightly lower IV than usual, but it is the last trading week of the year, so I don't expect a lot of volume. The chance of my 87 put getting assigned is fairly high this week, 38%, so still less than 50-50, but we'll have to see how the market ends by the end of the year. So thanks for following along on this journey. I appreciate all you watching and liking and subscribing. I'm looking forward to next year and see how this challenge ends. Hopefully Alphabet is a lot higher by then. Enjoy the rest of your holidays, and I'll talk to you again next year.